Refresh, revitalize, and restore your vehicle's interior with your newly installed Apex 90 car seat covers. These superior covers are made of quality vegan faux leather and durably constructed with dense polyfoam padding for maximum comfort. Crafted in-house, each cover is a single streamlined piece designed for a smooth and speedy installation. The backside has an elastic strap. Just stretch the elastic strap over the headrest and around the back of the bucket seat. Then unfasten the hook and loop opening at the top of the cover and stretch the fabric over the headrest and around the bucket seat. Attach the butterfly discs to the elastic loops. Then push the discs through the crevice and lock them in place on the back side. Now, under the headrest, fasten the flaps together using the hook and loop adhesive sides. And finally, stretch the cushion around the seat bottom and then tuck the fabric into the base. For a more secure snug fit, use the metal clips provided to attach to the elastic loops and connect it to the underside of the seat. It's that simple. Choose from 5 fresh, vivid designs and enjoy the stylish yet practical benefits of your new Apex 90 faux leather car seat covers.